Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the service is provisioned on BSNL side. Call or check the activation SMS if unsure. Next, unbox the modem or ONT and connect the power adapter, then plug the WAN line into the DSL or fiber port. You must use the exact registered mobile for OTP and keep ID documents handy for verification. Once done, power up the device and wait for the ready LEDs. This indicates the line is syncing, and we can move to login. You now access the router web UI to authenticate and apply provider settings. After Ethernet connection, enter the router IP and log in with the default admin user. Change that password immediately for security. Then select the WAN type PPPoE or PPPoA, enter the BSNL username, format username at BSNL. And provided password, and set MTU to 1492 if recommended. Save and apply. The router will reconnect. Make sure DHCP is enabled so devices receive IP addresses automatically. Finish by verifying internet access on at least 2 devices and running a quick speed check to validate plan speeds. If pages don't load, reboot the modem and router in sequence. Power off 30 seconds, power on modem first, wait for sync, then router. If the DSL or optical sync LED is off or blinking, that points to a line or ONT issue, so contact BSNL with your account number and the device MAC. Finally, re-enter credentials if authentication errors persist and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.